Hi, my name is Sachin Saxena and I am data scientist in an IT company and I'm teaching technical courses like Python, data science, machine learning here at TechLang, and I'm technical trainer for different subjects also. So I will be discussing the syllabus which we will cover in the next 1 month for the learners, and the syllabus covers for this Python programming introduction to Python. Here you can see. Then we will cover how to install Python in your local machine, development environment, basic Python syntax. You will be learning how to run Python programs using interactive shell. And then we will discuss variables and data types. What kind of other differences, different variable are there, like list, tuple, dictionaries, conversion, typecasting, right? How to take input from keyboard, how to get the output on the screen. We will learn these control flow, conditional statement, and if else conditions, how loop in structure will come out. Then we will move to the list and tuple. We will working with the tuple immutability, their interview questions and answers, their solutions, dictionary and sets. We will discuss the functions, how to call the function argument, return values. Then we will cover the file handling, which is very much used in the library in the company side. Then we will use the modules and packages, like creating using modules, organizing packages. Then module 9 will consist of object oriented programming language, because Python is also ops language, and we will discuss more depth here. So in the module number 10, we will discuss introduction to Python libraries such as NumPy, number in Python, Pandas, parallel data, then Matplotlib, right? So now get here. Here we have string, right? The science course, right? But what about entire display one, entire this one? Only single BMI is just there, right? So entire keys and values are removed by us using this del command, right? So is say we have a string name, and this string name TechLang is having data science course, right? So let me run this code, right? If you want to print display the value of this value, so string name, and you can see TechLang is having data science course, right? But what about the string concatenation, right? Suppose I am having this string concatenation and the last name is exclamation somewhere, and I'm creating new string which is saying name and string name with last tag, right? And finally I'm going to print this one. Let me run this code. You can see the TechLang is having data science course along with the exclamation sign is just printed out. But initially we had only this statement, but by using this plus sign, which is arithmetic operator, but here it is called concatenation, right? We are adding two string using this plus sign, which is adding two string parts there, right? So you can create more and more numbers there, right? String concatenation can behave in other formats, like we have name, right? So I'm going to asking this name from the user. So name, enter your name, right? So let's say I'm writing Tirupati, right? So Tirupati is entered by us, and we are assigning this value to the name variable. This is assignment operator, and we are assigning this name variable. We are creating the box, and inside this container this Tirupati is assigned there. Now this is not empty container, rather it's consisting of Tirupati. Now we are greeting this name, greeting hello name, and just run. You can see hello Tirupati, message display on your ATM machine. This is the way we can display the entire number when you have entered any ATM machine or enter any part here, right? Second thing we have is string methods. Here we have string length and string len. So len means suppose we have this name and anything. Suppose we have this name. So this is how we will cover all these statements, and this is course structure may vary depending about the duration, depth of the course. Additional hands-on exercise, mini projects, quizzes can be integrated into each module here in order to enhance practical learning and reinforcement part, right? So keep learning, keep growing. We will see in the session. Thank you so much for joining TechLang again.